When a new record is added to a local library's system, it's automatically sent to the in-reach Union Catalog. Our sophisticated matching algorithm looks to see if the record has already been contributed by another library. If so, it determines which catalog record is the most complete and retains it, along with all holdings from all libraries. If not, the bibliographic record along with the library's holdings are added to the Union Catalog. Each time a local library updates a record locally, adding or deleting items or checking out items to local patrons, the Union Catalog is again updated automatically in real time. If a local library withdraws a title from their collection and deletes the record, its holdings are automatically deleted from the Union Catalog. If the deleted title is also the master bibliographic record in use in the Union Catalog, InReach automatically requests that the other library systems owning the title recontribute their bib records, and it picks a new master record for the Union Catalog. All requests are made in the Union Catalog, but all transactions happen in the local systems of both the requesting library and the owning library. InReach brokers each transaction and automatically updates the status in its Union Catalog and each library's local catalog accordingly. When a patron places a request for a title in the Union Catalog, InReach validates the patron back at their home library system. No patron data is stored in the InReach Union Catalog. All patron data lookup happens at the home library. Once the patron is validated, InReach uses request balancing rules to determine which of the owning libraries is the best choice to supply the book. The request is then sent in real time to the owning library and queued as a paging slip for printing on demand. The owning library prints the paging slip and goes to the shelf to retrieve the item. If the item is found, the owning library checks the item out, which both records the circulation in their local system as well as confirms to the requesting library that they are supplying the item. The Union Catalog is updated to indicate the item is checked out and not available. If the item is not found, or the library fails to print the paging slip, the request can either be manually transferred back to InReach for paging from another library, or after a defined period of time, InReach will re-request the item automatically from a different library. When the item arrives at the requesting library, its barcode is scanned and the item is placed on hold. The patron is sent a pickup notice in the same way they are notified of locally owned materials when they become available. The borrowing library uses standard circulation to check the item out to the patron and to send notices, overdue fines, and any other relevant communication. The patron can view and track the InReach request through the My Account feature in the OPAC, just like any other material that is checked out. When the patron returns the book, the borrowing library checks it in. They are prompted to return it to the owning library, who then receives it and checks it in. Throughout the process, the status of the item is updated in the patron's record and borrowing library system, the InReach Union Catalog, and the owning library system automatically. To staff and patron alike, the process was just as simple as if the item had been owned by the local library. Being part of InReach allows the library to offer an expanded and comprehensive collection to its patrons without disrupting their normal workflows.